It is going to come in as a Category 1, but the storm surge is going to be really bad, especially on these barrier islands.
We're glad we evacuated. We can replace this, but we can't replace their lives.
And we're going to cover this storm throughout and adjust to the east or to the west as needed as Hurricane Nate comes ashore tonight. Right now, police are keeping people off the streets in Biloxi. There is a curfew in effect. We are right on the water, so these easterlies are going to be ripping off that water as that center of circulation drifts closer. Whoa! Wave after wave of this storm surge coming in. As that eye wall of Category 1 Hurricane Nate is getting closer. In fact, this is the northern side of that circulation. Birds flying around here in the eye. There they are. See them? They're coming back. There it is.
All the debris. There's a sailboat right down the road. Pretty good sized one on the beach.
This just shows you that even with a Category 1, this storm surge prone area here can yield results like this.
We did have a nice looking yard. We just feel blessed. It could have been so much worse.
After being through Katrina, then this is like